Hey friend, in this video I'm trying to show you how to download and install XCIPTV player on Amazon Firestick and Firestick 4K Max. Before starting the video, if you need any IPTV, you can contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number available in the description. Let's start the video. First of all, open the downloader app. Put that code in the search bar 730116. Wait for the 5 seconds. After that, you can go to the next page. In this page, you can see many apps, so find XCIPTV player and press on it. After that, XCIPTV is automatically downloading. Just wait for it to download. After download, install and open it. Now you need a username, password, and URL to watch IPTV on it. So, put your username and password. If you don't have a username and password, then contact me on WhatsApp. I will give you a username and password at affordable prices. If you like this video, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank for the watching.